Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on personalized ads based on your activity with our partners on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings, and now click account settings. Now here, as you see, you will find it here. Personalized ads based on your activity with our partners. Just click on it like this, and this will be turned on, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.